Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to revert to an earlier version on Google Sheets. So reverting to an earlier version in Google Sheets allows you to recover data from previous versions of your spreadsheet. This is useful if you've made changes that you want to undo or if you need to restore an older version of your file. This is what you can do. Open your Google Sheet documents, which we have here, and go ahead and open the Google Sheet document from which you want to revert to an earlier version, which we have here. So just go ahead and select any one of your choice. Then go to the file menu at the top of the screen. And once you do that, you have a couple of options here, which include new, open, import, make copy, share, email, download, rename, and even down to print. So go ahead and click on version history and click on see version history. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen, which we have here, showing a list of saved versions with timestamps and the names of the collaborators who made the changes. So this is Amanda Mac, and these are the timestamps already. So click on the version that you want to view as it was at those points in time. So let's say this is the version I want to view. So that's the version for that. And this is the version for this with this timestamp. And this is my current version. So once you find the version you want to revert to, click on it to review the changes. So we have here, you can review the changes, just really an empty sheet anyway. So once you have reviewed the changes, you're going to see the restore this version button at the top of the panel, which is here. So if you only want to make changes visible in the restored version without completely replacing the current version, you can copy the necessary data from the earlier version and paste it into the current one. So that's it. So go ahead and click on restore this version if you want to, but I don't want to restore, but that's it. So you can also confirm restoration. Now a confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to restore the version. So that's it. Now go ahead and click on restore, and the spreadsheet will now be reverted to the selected version, which I don't want to. So you can also name the version. You can name versions to make it easier to identify important changes. To do this, click on the three vertical dots next to the version, each of the version history panel, and select name this version. So do that. So you can also create a new version, but before making major changes, you can manually save a new version by going to file and then click on version history, click on name current version. This helps you to track or to keep track of different stages of your spreadsheet. You can also do automatic versions, right? So Google Sheet automatically save versions every few minutes, so you can always revert to a version from recent changes. So by using these steps, you can effectively manage and revert changes in your Google Sheets document as needed. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.